How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Microsoft Authenticator application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Microsoft Authenticator application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that, and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Microsoft Authenticator application and reinstall the application again and then launch the application, and by now your Microsoft Authenticator application should be working just fine. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.